friends, my name is Utan. Now I am studying in 9th standard from Shri Shambhu Mahadev Devasthan Trust, Fursungi Sanchalit Shri Bhekrai Mata Madhyamik Vidyalaya Bhekrai Nagar. Friends, mathematics is actually fun, but you mind a big thing. Mathematics is made up of so many formulas, and to remember these formulas it is so difficult. But today I am going to make it very easy and simple for you. Yes, we are going to derive the formula and understand this meaning of it. uh, let us see this is a circle. Area of the circle is, you have answer, area of the circle is pi r square. But why this pi r square? Let's find out today why the area of the circle is pi r square. Let's make a center by the pencil and fold the circle into semicircle. In this one more fold you get bigger area of circle. Then now later or one more fold, so you have got triangular portion of the circle. If you open it, we will get marks in this match. Now take a scale and draw the line across this mark. So I already done for you. You can see this in triangular portion of the whole circle is divided into 8 parts. Cut the 8 parts helped by scissor. After cutting, you will get 8 equal parts of the circle. Now let's arrange these 8 parts in a triangular position. Where should I fix it? Now this look like somewhat like the rectangle, but there is length straight line missing. So what I do it? I will cut this into exactly half and will place such that my almost rectangular figure from the circle has been made up. The space occupied by this circle, that is area of the circle, has been converted into area of this rectangle. If you see, you might say that it not a rectangle because there are curved surfaces. What should we do? Let's make same smaller pieces, so that these curved surfaces will be minimized. Now you can see that the same circle has been divided into 16 parts. You can go now on the divided into further parts to get minimum the number of curved surfaces, and equally if you go on do it into infinite smaller pieces, you will actually get straight line of, and you will get your completely rectangle. So you will have seen that this space occupied by the circle, that is area of the circle, has been converted into area of the space is occupied by the rectangle. But how can prove that area of this circle is a pi r square? Let's do it. Let's understand this. Area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. uh, Circle has been converted into area of the rectangle. Now what is the area of the rectangle? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. What is this length made up of? It is made up of the circumference of the circle, but it is the whole circumference. Half side of this place and half circumference of this place. So length of this rectangle is made up of half of the circumference of this rectangle is is the circumference given by the formula into 2 pi r. Now breadth, what is the breadth of this rectangle has been of respect of the circle. It is nothing but it is the radius. It is the radius of the circle. So breadth is radius. If we calculate this further, these two get cancel out and you will get pi r square. We have proved that the area of circle is pi r square. It is interesting, friends. You will see this very easy to find out. I hope you like this video and better understand. We got inspiration from Srivarkar sir to make such videos. We are very thankful to him. Please subscribe our channel Mahadev Srivarkar Lectures on Maths and press bell icon. Like, share and comment. Thank you.